Good morning, teachers. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload RAC reading across curriculum for your subjects. So here I'm taking the subject physics. So this is a run sheet. We have to get a run sheet and the PPT for this reading across curriculum. So here we can see the greetings and a brief introduction of RAC. Then there is a motivator link. Then there is a Google form, that is before reading poll, similar like pre-assessment. Then this article, the PPT that you have to post. Then the activity, based on the activity we have some questions. This is the link for the Google form. Then this is the after reading poll, and there is a link for the same. So this is the run sheet. Based on the run sheet we have to post. So I will show you in a class. I will show you a class. This is the 10L class. So this is an example. So here this is the classwork. So here you can see that first one is attendance, then motivator. So here attendance, you can see that this I already posted. So we can see here the greetings, and this is a wish, and this is a brief intro for RAC. Then we can see the motivator, and the video is attached. Then this is the pre-assessment, like means before reading poll, and this is the reading article, that is a PPT. Then this is the activity questions, that is in the Google form, and we can see the response in Google Drive. And this is the after reading poll, like daily assessment DA. Then this is the thought question, and once we post we can see in the stream like this. So we can see the students comment. This was the thought question, and we can see the students comment. So students are really enjoying, and they are discussing among themselves, and they are appreciating also. Then this was the DA, because it's going the it start from the last, because this was the last post, and this is the second last post, that is for after reading poll. Then this is the, okay, I think I have to go from the beginning. Okay, this is the attendance. This 6 means non-Islamic students. For attendance, most of the students have handed in. For other posts we cannot see that handed in for all the students, but here 6 were Islamic students, and we can see the other students over here. All students have enrolled over here. Then here this is the motivator. Then we are going for the PA, that means before reading poll. Then we can see the article, reading article, and we can see over the activity sheet. Then this is the DA, that is after reading poll, and the final last question, that is the thought question. So I hope you got a small idea about how to upload RAC for your subjects. Thank you.